Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing the drip glitch on this game. I'm just going to be showing you whether you get better gifts or not, whether depending on the level and the method you use to level up. So I'll be back when I need like one more send of the drip top to each account. I did forget to mention I am going to give a big shout out to the person that gave me the drips. That background noise was annoying. If I can be bothered, I will put her YouTube channel at the end screen. So I will see you guys when I said I would last time. Right, I just want to mention their username. It's 6subscribe9 because they won't let 69 because of obvious reasons. Because look at this icon though. Oh, I can't change her. Let's try and make her look a bit nice. Yes. I'll be back when I have made her look nice. Right, so I made it look like a nice little dress, but I don't know what shoes to use. We'll use these, and I'll be back when I've made 2 of the accounts, and I will show you how to glitch with the drip. I'm pretty sure everyone knows by now. Okay guys, I sent the drip top to my new account, and I will make another account now. Alright then, so I made the 2 accounts, 6subscribe9 and 6subscribe99. This is so laggy. Okay. I'm friends with you now, Disney. Okay, I'll be back once I get to, I'll say like, level 6 with these 2 accounts. Right, so when I open this gift, I'll get to level 7. And as you can see, I am level 6 already. Oh, I'm so close. Now I'm gonna open some presents. And I should be level 7. There we go. I'm gonna go for these shorts because they are cute, I think. Okay, they're not in green. Okay, now I'll send the drip top to the other account. And I should be good to go. Right. After I've opened this gift, I'm going to pause the recording and then get to level 9. The step before level 9. So I'll see you then. So guys, I have one more gift. Phone just rings. Until I need to get to level 9. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm level 9 now. And I will now skip to the level 10. I'm back and I literally just have to click 2 buttons, one now, until I get level 10. So let's see what I got. I'm excited. Not gonna get anything good though, and yeah. Okay, that's the school song. I'm gonna make it black and white, just because I don't like this. Let's have that. Now I'm gonna send the drip top to the next account, and we'll see what we get for that. I know it's not gonna be anything good because this glitch is like really dying. I got like galaxy hair a couple of times. I got Miss G once. I was so shook. I was shaking. I was quaking. Shooketh. Now, let's see the disappointment. Yeah. I won't get out good. Wow, I got nothing. Oh, these score time. These aren't even that good of rares. Like, I'm really disappointed. I'm just sad. Let's just get them in that colour. I could get everything. Wow, I'm smart. So I will now send this stuff to my main account. Some of it's VIP, so I'm gonna have to glitch it. So yeah, I will do another video on my main account, doing some weird stuff, you know. Oh, I need a lot of lag for this, don't I? That's a message. Okay, so that's too much lag. And I might have just crashed everything I will ever know about. So I'll see you guys in the next one.